Somebody says that it couldn't be done, but he, with a chuckle, replied that maybe it couldn't, but he would be one who wouldn't say so till he had tried. So he buckled right in with a trace of a green. With, if he worried, he hid it. He started to sing as he tackled the thing that couldn't be done, and he did it. Somebody scoffed, "Oh, you will never do that. At least no one has ever done it." He took off his coat and took off his hat, and the first thing which we knew that he began it. With a lift of his chin and bit of a grin, without any doubting or query that so- he started to sing as he tackled the thing that couldn't be done, and he did it. There are thousands to tell you that you cannot be done. There are thousands to prophesy failure. There are thousands to point out you one by one the dangers that wait to assail you. Just buckled in with a bit of a grin. Just take off your coat and go to it. He started to sing as he tackled the thing that couldn't be done, and he did it.